Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start with a correctly scaled, clean mesh. Apply scale and rotation, and fix normals so hair emits predictably. Once done, add a particle system, switch the type to hair, and select faces or volume as the source depending on evenness. Set count and hair length to establish density and scale. These are your baseline parameters. Make sure viewport display is at 100% for accurate grooming, and disable hair dynamics for initial shaping so particles remain stable while you work. Now refine shape and behavior. Switch to particle edit to comb, cut, smooth, and puff strands. This is where form really appears. Once done, enable children, interpolated for smooth bundles or simple for clumps, to multiply apparent hair while keeping performance reasonable. Use vertex groups assigned in the particle settings to control density, length, and kink. Paint weights directly on the mesh to tether hair only where you want it. Also tweak roughness and kink settings to add natural variation across the coat. Finish by giving the hair a proper shader, principled hair or hair BSDF. Then preview renders under real lighting. Tweak color, roughness, and melanin for natural results. If you need actual geometry, convert the particle system to curves or mesh via object convert, then finalize with modifiers. If things go wrong, inspect obvious causes. Make sure particle type is hair, apply scale and normals, confirm viewport display is not reduced, and check modifier order so the particle system isn't being hidden or overridden.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.